In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an affiliate with Binance. This is a fantastic way to earn rewards for promoting one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. So let's jump right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Binance website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Binance.com, where you'll find yourself on their homepage. This is where it all begins, and if you haven't visited Binance before, take a moment to familiarize yourself with their interface. It's quite user-friendly. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to locate and click on the More button. You'll typically find this button at the top or side of the page. Clicking More will expand a menu of additional features and services offered by Binance. This is where we'll find our pathway to the affiliate program. Next, from the expanded menu, look for and click on Affiliate. This will direct you to the section dedicated to Binance's affiliate program, where you can learn more about the benefits of becoming an affiliate, along with terms and conditions, which are crucial to understand before proceeding. Now that you're in the affiliate section, you'll see an option that says Join Now. Click on this link to begin your application. This step is pretty straightforward, but remember, it's essential to ensure that you're genuinely interested in partnering with Binance, as this is a commitment to promote their platform responsibly. After you click Join Now, you'll be directed to a form where you need to fill in the required information. This includes details about your social media accounts and the size of your audience, among other things. It's important to be accurate and honest in this section. Providing detailed information about your audience can significantly enhance your chances of application approval. Once you've filled in all your details, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and read through the terms and conditions. Make sure to review them thoroughly to understand your responsibilities as an affiliate. If you agree, check the box to accept these terms. The final step is to submit your application by clicking the Submit button. Upon successful submission, a confirmation message will appear on your screen, acknowledging the receipt of your application. Keep in mind that Binance will take some time to review your application. Be patient during this process, as they may reach out for additional verification, such as Know Your Customer or KYC requirements, which are standard practice in the industry. There you have it.